Guys, today is going to be a different video because it's raining, so we're probably going to get my friend James some clips, hopefully get me some clips, but we'll throw a montage in there or something. We'll see you. Alright, we actually made it to the first spot. We're going to get some clips for James for his Instagram, maybe get a little clip montage. But as you can see, it's raining big time. This is what we're working with. That's what he wants to do. So we just got done with the first spot. It was a success. It was at least 2 clips for him. But we're gonna go on to the next spot and we're gonna see what we can get accomplished and see if we can meet up with Gerald or something. We'll see you there. Second spot. See what we can do. I'm probably gonna get a montage in here maybe, but mostly it's gonna be James today. This one? All right, cue that montage. Alright guys, that's it for spot number 2. We're gonna get back to it. We're probably gonna go to a school after this, Bartlett maybe. Walk into the wrong car. Alright, yeah, we'll catch you there. Walking to the next spot right now. We're at Bartlett right now. Yeah. Through a field. We gotta hop a fence, obviously.
Kids are still here?
Nah, well, we don't know yet, but hopefully we don't get kicked out. But other than that, yep, we'll catch you there. Alright, so we just made it to the stage thing. It's kind of wet, but it'll work for now. Probably get a quick montage, maybe have James film me some clips.
We got let out the gate.
We immediately got booted out the spot, bro. Immediately. But he let us out the gate though. He was super cool about it.
Up the fence to get let out of gate.
Yeah, but I don't know if we're gonna end the video right here, but we'll probably throw another montage in there maybe on the way home, but we'll see you when I get home. This is over that, between that with pegs, dude, that's crazy.
Wait,
all right, I'm probably gonna end this off right here, not necessarily right here. I'll probably meet you at home and we'll end the video right there. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it. And we're gonna catch you guys next time. Later.